Hello to all my friends out there. And so these are some tuna burgers I made. Really cheap, really easy to make. And I have a little mayonnaise. I wanted to use my salmon patty recipe, but I couldn't find it. And I'm really glad I couldn't because I looked it up. You know, I just Googled tuna patties, and the recipe I found I think is better than the one I had. So I was happy I didn't find mine. And then, you know, I have a little tomato soup, and I mixed it with milk, you know, to up the nutrition a little bit. So for my meals this month, you know, I'm trying to make meals out of my stockpile food. And here is a loaf of banana nut bread I made. And I made half a batch. And so let's see, I made rice pudding, I made sugar cookies, I made banana bread, and I'll make raisin bread. And I'll buy cake mixes. So those will be some cheap desserts for this month. So I'll buy 4 cake mixes. And for the banana bread and the raisin bread, I wanted recipes that contain the stockpile food. So here's the banana nut bread recipe, and I like this one. Oil, sugar, eggs, you know, those items, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, everything. I didn't add milk, everything but the bananas. And I thought this was really a good recipe, easy stockpile food. So there's the banana nut bread recipe, and I like this one. Here's another shot of my banana nut bread. And this ceramic picture is on sale on eBay. I have to be careful not to get grease on it. It's for sale. And here is my new teapot. And now let me give you the recipe for the tuna burgers. 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 10 tablespoons breadcrumbs, 3 cans tuna, 3 tablespoons diced onion, pinch of black pepper, egg. I added egg. They didn't have egg, but I thought it needed an egg, and vegetable oil. So I had this tuna, the breadcrumbs, I used chives, and I used this Parmesan cheese, and I had this lemon. So that was a good situation. And then we were talking about cleanups, and I found this just happened to be, let's see, to remove lime deposits from tea kettles, fill with equal parts vinegar and water, bring to a boil, and allow to stand overnight. I didn't see that. And silver will gleam after a rubbing with damp cloth and soda on a damp cloth. Well, I think my teapot was super grubby, so it needed a little more aggressive cleaner, but I'll just give you a shot of these cleaning tips. Some of these were pretty good. So now let me get my tuna burgers over here. All right, so now let me taste one. And so this month, about one night a week, I probably want to have some kind of sandwiches. This would definitely do. This is good. All right, and then let me show you some of my jewelry. I have some rhinestone bracelets and all kinds of rings. Some of my rings are used, but you know, I just lower the price. And a cute ring watch. This is my own bracelet, but it looked pretty with my ring. So here is my tuna burgers and tomato soup. And you know, this out of one can, I made four tuna burgers, and I used my burger maker. Let me see. Well, it's not close by. But if you have a burger maker, they're only $1. That can really help you flatten out your burgers. And this is done in a minute, and this is good. So, okay, God bless you all.